Hello, how are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today we're going to talk about this. Do you have these pages that you want to use in your journal, but there's no way to put them in your journal unless you put them this way, and then that doesn't work for you? You know, you love it. It's fantastic, but you can't put it in there. So today we're going to talk about how to create a signature page out of these. And it's pretty easy. So I'm going to get together a list of tools that you're going to want to do this. And I'll be right back. Okay. So tools for this one. Scoreboard scoring tools. Paper trimmer. 2 sheets of the paper that you want to use. And washi tape, glue. Okay? So we're going to start off with our 2 pieces of paper. We're going to stack them together and put them into our scoreboard. And we're going to score them. Now I'm scoring this one, and you can score it anywhere between 1/2 inch and 1 inch. I'm scoring it at 3/4 of an inch. Okay? And I'm doing both pages at the same time. You can see that this now has a score line. And then I'm going to fold that. And I'm going to fold it in both directions. Okay? Now we're going to get rid of the scoreboard because we're done with it. And we are going to fix this. So what we're going to do is we're going to open these up. We're going to get out our adhesive. And we're going to put glue. Making sure we get as close to that folded edge as possible. This part out here is not that important because we're going to get rid of it. Okay, we're going to put this down. Make sure that it is lined up and well adhered. And then we're going to let that dry. As soon as it's dry, I'll be back and we'll move on. Okay, so once this is glued and it's solid, you can leave it just like that if you want to. If you want that look still on the page, fantastic. But if you want to take that off, you can trim it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this to length, and this one is 9.5 inches long, and 8 is a good measurement for me. So I'm just going to take about 1.5 inches off of here. It's less I have to worry about. And then I'm going to put this in my trimmer, and I'm going to trim this down to about 1/4 of an inch. Before my end of my glue there, my score line. And then I'm just going to glue this part down. Now you can use tape on this if you want, entirely up to you. I'm just going to use some glue. Put that down. I'm just going to hit it with my bone folder here to press it nicely. And it's pretty much done. But if you have, if it's obvious that that's the mark, you folded it over to create this, well, then you can take some washi tape and just put some washi over that. Trim it off. And of course you can do this after you put it in your piece, in your signature, because then you'll be able to, know what you want to put on it as far as color. But now, this is my little fake signature that, we use for these types of things. Now, I can add this piece in to my signature, and it can be used just like a regular signature page in my journal. That's it. That's my quick tip of the day. I know a lot of people get this paper. Amy recently had these in her sale, and that is why I went ahead and decided I was going to do this little project, because, you know, I bought some too, and then I went, oh God, because this one has lines. So I may want to write on this, but I can't write on it if I put it into the journal this way. So that's it. That's my quick little tip. How to take two separate pieces of paper and make a signature styled page. Okay? If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. Reach out to me, instant message, email, whatever you need to do. Check out the community tab here on the YouTube channel, or look in the description box below. That's got a lot of really helpful links in it. And that's it. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.